Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our next international expert, Livia Caudel.
So here I am, I'm 16 years old, and my mom says, honey, I want to have a conversation. So we go to the kitchen table, we sit down, and she looks at me and says, so what are you going to do after high school? And me excitedly and passionately say, when I graduate high school, I'm going to move to Florida, start a business, and make millions of dollars. Well, she wasn't as excited and passionate as I was, to say the least. So she chuckled, and concernedly, like any mother, she looked at me and said, honey, your dreams, they're a pie in the sky. I think you should go to college and become an engineer. And at that point, I couldn't hear anything else she was saying. All I could hear is, my mom doesn't believe in me. So that day, I was determined to prove her and everybody else in my life wrong. So I graduate high school, I move to Florida, and I get a job working for a $250 million company selling real estate education, traveling the world. I had a 3-bedroom house, fully furnished, BMW convertible. I was making more money than the majority of my immediate family members combined. And here I was, depressed and miserable and alone, using drugs and alcohol on the weekend to cope with my pain and the lack of fulfillment in my life. So fast forward 7 years later, I have a realization that maybe I had been living my life in a complete lie. So I go to my mom and I say, hey mom, do you remember when you told me my dreams were a pie in the sky? I made that mean that you didn't believe in me, and I've spent the last 7 years suffering, chasing money completely alone. And she starts crying. She looks at me and she says, honey, I just wanted you to go to college and get a good education. And then we embraced each other and we started crying, because in that moment I got my mom back. And not only that, I got that I had created this belief when I was 16 years old that was completely false, not even real. I had lived 7 years of my life chasing money, chasing something that I wasn't even really authentically connected to or passionate about. How many of you can relate to that story in one way or another? Yeah, be honest, raise your hands, yeah? So I'm not alone. We all have our own version of this, right? Being a human being, we all have our own story, our own version of this. And so this is why I'm here today, is to share with you my story to possibly make an impact. Maybe some of you are sitting here in your chairs right now and you're not fulfilled. Maybe you're happy and things are okay, but they're not great, they're not extraordinary, they're not amazing, juicy, rock your socks off. And that's where I've dedicated my life, to inspire people to tap into their true authentic purpose. And I have 3 principles that I take people through a process to tap into your heart, discover your true authentic purpose, and then turn that purpose into profits. To give you an example, Lindsay, age 35, she came to me and she said, I've got a decision to make. I need to either go this way or that way. How many of you have to make decisions? Every day, right? We can either make them from our heart or from our head in fear. And a lot of times when we come from our head, we don't make correct decisions. So she comes to me, I guide her through this process, she taps into her heart, and she discovers what decision is more connected with her authentic true purpose. And she also realized her value and her worth, and now she's going to charge more for her services. So now she's going to go make a bigger impact in the world and make more money. Is that exciting? Absolutely. Michael, age 51, this was not connected to his finances, but how many of you can agree that our health impacts our finances? Absolutely. So Michael came to me very overweight, no energy, just no passion. And we take him through this process into his heart, and he realizes that he's eating the wrong foods, overeating, because he's suppressing some childhood wounds. And we take him through this process, and he discovers this, ends up losing 25 pounds, has so much energy. Everyone's like, wow, you look so great, you look amazing. And this is what I'm spending my life doing, is getting people to live extraordinary lives. So write this down. I've got a free gift for you. So if you go to heartpurposeprofits.com, heartpurposeprofits.com, I've got a free gift waiting for you that will give you access and take you on a journey to discover your heart, your purpose, and then turn that purpose into profits. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful day.